If your kitchen is tight on storage space, then the CAROTE pots and pans set is perfect for you. It has so many space-saving features that take it from this to this. The secret is the detachable handles that you just simply attach by squeezing the handle until you hear the click. And then to remove the handle, you just push the button and remove the handle. This feature makes the pans super versatile. You can take the handle off and then put the pan into the oven, or it's also super space saving if you want to put it in the dishwasher or for dishwashing in the sink. And because the pans are so nice looking, you can even put them directly on the table and serve from there. You can then take one of the silicone lids and put the leftovers directly into the fridge. These pans are really super convenient. Once you add in the non-stick, lightweight, and even cooking features of this cookware, as well as the terrific price, you really can't go wrong. I've had mine for over 6 months now, and I just love my CAROTE pots and pans. Go get yours.